Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and seeing what I have for you today. Today I'm gonna open up 6 more capsules. It's been very fun because watching my first video, I have over 7,000 views. So thank you so much for those that have watched my videos and have liked them. I appreciate that very much. This is my cat Tatsu. He's wanting to say hi. So yeah, so let's get into opening up capsules and seeing what we get today. So far you can see in front of me that this is the collection that I have so far, and let's get to it. So let's see what I get today. So what have you guys been doing as of late? It's for here, I live in Vancouver, Washington, or Camas, Washington, and the weather here has been off and on. It's been very hot, or it's been rainy and on the cooler side, so it's been very interesting this summer, spring and summer, as the weather hasn't been very usual. We had less rain this year, and now we have warm weather. So how's the weather where you guys are at? So let me see. I wanted to see if this is anything has been up to date for the list, and it looks like, let's see here, looks like it's the same list so far. Nothing has changed on it. They haven't added anything. I know on some things, on some of the videos that I've seen, they have actually added extra items. So here is the magnet. I have a camera. I don't have this magnet, so this is a new one for me. It's going right on the fridge. And then let's see what we have. We have these. So in every capsule there is a magnet, and then you get 3 random yellows, and then I thought it was 2 green ones, or maybe 3 green ones, but let's get into it. Okay, so we have zesty Italian dressing. I have this one already. Zesty Italian dressing. So I have that one. Okay. Oh, is this new? Oh, it is. Okay. It looks like IHOP pancakes. Yay! So this is new. Let's see if this opens, and it does. It's like a to-go container, and this is like kind of a little bit squishy. So it has the syrup on it and the dollop of butter, and it's in its to-go container. Okay. So that is another one off my list. Just checking it off here and go on to the next. Okay, here's another Pizza Hut. So let's see what we have here. Oops, I need one more of the Pizza Hut if I remember right. And I need a particular one. This looks like it's pepperoni and maybe chicken. Let's see which ones I have. I forgot what ones I have. So I think this is the Supreme, because it looks like it has the onions, meat, onions, and bell peppers. And then this one looks, I think, is a cheese pizza. So I do have a new one. So this is a new one. This is the pepperoni, I don't know, pepperoni and pineapple, maybe? So that is the last one of those that or no, there's one that's just pepperoni, so I still need to collect one. So there is a Supreme one, and I think this came in one of the, came in the fridge possibly that I got from Target. So I think there's one more because there's one that looks like it just has pepperoni on it. Okay, next we have the lamb chops. I have this one already. I have the lamb chops. Okay. Here's kombucha. I have the kombucha. This is supposed to be like a jar of kombucha. Like, I would say, I mean, I've made kombucha before and I made it in a 5-gallon jar, but I don't know if this represents the 5-gallon, or not a 5-gallon, a gallon jar of kombucha. What is this? This is Hershey's syrup. I don't have this one. This is new. So Hershey's syrup. So that one is another one off my list. And then what is this one? This is something it looks like I will have to make. It is a mold. So the mold that I already have, it feels like the resin got loose in here too. It's sticky. So the mold I had was from the Target fridge, which had special items in it. So this one, it looks like some of the resin has leaked out, but I'm not seeing it in here, but it is sticky. So the instructions are kind of glued together, which is great. So yeah, I don't know. This looks like it's another Jell-O mold, but I'm not too sure what kind. Oh, okay, here it is. So that's what it shows on there. As you see, there's a lot of resin in here, but it's different from the mold that I've already done. Oh, it's sticky. So this is the mold that came in the fridge. And so it's more of a Jell-O. It's supposed to be like a Jell-O, and it has the fruit inside. So this one that I just got is a little different. I need to wipe off my hands. Ooh, okay, so this one's a little different. I'm gonna put this aside because I don't want to get that all over. Let's open up the next one. I think this is gonna be like the little fruit. Yeah, so this is the tray and the fruit that's gonna go on. I'll do a different video of making this because I also need to figure out which one is which out of these, because I can't read the instructions because it's all glued together. So maybe I'll get another one with instructions, but I'll have to see. Okay, so the next one. I love it when it does that. It just comes apart. It's so satisfying when it comes apart in just one pull. I love that. Okay. Let's see what we get in here. What is the magnet? The magnet we got, it looks like it's a record, maybe? I think a record. That's what I think it is. So I'm gonna put that there. So that's new. That's a new one. So looks like out of the magnets I need 9 more. So okay, so you usually get 3 of each, 3 yellows and 3 greens, and a magnet. So let's see what we get today. Or not today, but in this one. This is the juice. I have this one already. I mentioned this on my previous one. I wish they would have put stuff inside instead of this being wrapped in a wrapper with just pictures of fruit in it. I think they could have gone just a little more, but I mean, it's still cool. I still like it. This must be bacon. Nope, it's fish. Fresh fish. I have this one already. It's a fruit tray. Got it to focus. Here's the fruit tray. These come out. 2 of them. They get 2 stuck together. And then you can put them back in. But yeah, the fruit tray. Here is the Philadelphia cream cheese. I have this one also. I don't know if this one opens. I don't remember. No, it doesn't. Philadelphia cream cheese. This looks a little bulky. What is it? A new one! Got Panda Express. I think this, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this would be from Panda Express, but it is Panda Express. Panda Express. I'm not, maybe fried rice? I think it might be fried rice. What do you guys think? Is it fried rice? I don't eat much Panda Express anymore. It's been a while, so you guys will have to tell me what you think it is. And another Pizza Hut, a big box. I already have a big box, so this one I have already, the big box. It has the chicken here, but yeah. Okay. On to another capsule. What have you guys done for the summer? I actually went to the Oregon coast for the first time with a friend. Had a lot of fun. We went to Cannon Beach. It was really cool. I can't wait to go back to the Oregon coast again and go to different beaches. So can't wait for my next adventure. But what have you guys done this summer that's really cool? Oh, nope, I have this one. So it's grocery list. I have this grocery list, so. And we have some milk. So got some milk, fresh milk. It's just a white bottle. Here's the oats jar, which comes off and you have the fruit inside of the oats jar. It has all of that there. Got some broccoli. I want to say I have a video where I actually open these. I open the broccoli, I open the fish, I open any extras that I have to see what they look like. It's pretty cool. They have detail and everything, which is really nice. Jell-O, I don't have this one. Strawberry Jell-O, yay! I opened these 2. These are actually packs of 2, just like you would get them in the store, which is really cool. So if you open this up, they're packs of 2 where you would break them apart when you would eat them. So I think that's pretty cool, the details on some of these. Yay, this is also new. The Worcestershire sauce. So if I get another one of these, I'll take this off and see what it looks like on the inside. Another IHOP pancakes. So this is, I already have the IHOP pancakes. Okay. This one feels a little heavy. Okay. No, what's that? God, it got stuck. Okay. Let me push these back a little bit. Okay. Where is the magnet? Okay. Where is this one? I don't have this one. It looks like eggs and salmon, maybe? I think. I don't have that one, so that one's new. Okay. Some more broccoli florets. Been getting a lot of these. These are definitely commons, so get a lot of the commons. Ooh, this one's heavy. I'll open that one last. Another Pizza Hut pizza. Okay, so this is pepperoni pizza. This is definitely, I don't have this one. So now I have, I guess there's 4 different ones because the Target one definitely came, the Target fridge, I want to say came with special items in it because I remember getting the pizza which was totally different than any others. So Target fridge comes with special ones. So if you want extra items, go with the Target fridge. I think I'm going to open up one of these fridges also, because the 2 fridges I have in front of me here, those are actually from Costco, from their Costco bundle. And I had a viewer say that there's different items in the Costco one too. So a turmeric shot. Okay, I have that one. Another pizza. What pizza do we have here? Another cheese pizza. Oop. There's another cheese pizza. Okay. And more chocolate syrup. Okay. Put that one aside because I have that one. So what is this one here? Okay, so this is the tiramisu one, which I have here. I'm gonna redo this one because I don't like how this one turned out. So I'm gonna do this one again, but do a little different this time. So I will do a video of this one again later. So I'll do it with my other set over here of the mold, but I will do that one separately. Okay. On to the next one. Trying to get it to where it will just open up easily. Or open up in one pull. Okay, where's the magnet? Got another grocery list. So have that one. Oh, what is this? This is a big one. Okay, I want to open this one first because this is pretty big. What? It is a Baskin Robbins cake and it's a unicorn. I love unicorns. Look at that. Oh my gosh. What a classic combination. Okay, so let's see. Does it open? It does open. And it does come out. Or if it will come out. It's kind of stuck in there. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. So there we go. Look at that. It doesn't smell. There's no smell to it. But I'm gonna put it back. Put it back inside. This is a pretty good size one. Okay, and then the back of the box. This tasty treat is created for you when an ordinary cake just won't do it. Or just won't do. So, it's pretty nice. Okay, so I got the cake, and that one was considered a luxury. So I have 2 more luxuries to get. So let's see which ones we get. We get some more. Another fruit tray. So I have that one. Lamb chops. Got the lamb chops. Getting more and more lamb chops. Got some more milk. Never have enough milk, right? And then this one is original bacon, which I would say I already have the thick bacon. Yes, I already do have the thick bacon. Okay, last capsule. Oh, it didn't. There we go. Nice. Okay. Okay, what is the... Okay, there it is. What magnet do we have? What do you guys think it is? It's, bread! I don't have this one, so this one's new. The bread one. Okay. Got the eggplant. Ooh! Another new one. Okay, so Panda Express. And this one looks like broccoli beef. Or, I don't think they have broccoli chicken, but that definitely looks like broccoli. So broccoli something. So I have both of these. These ones are considered to be ultra rare. And there's one more that I need to collect with this one. So the ultra rare. Strawberry ramune. So I have a strawberry ramune, so I don't need this one. Oh, this looks like something. This is another ramune, and this is an original ramune, which I think I have too. Yes, I have the original ramune, so I have that one. Though I feel this one interesting. This one is actually really small. So I don't know. See how the difference? So maybe this one's a special one, but it's really small. Look at the size difference. So I guess that's a special one. So I'm gonna put that there. It does say that there is an iconic ramune, the original iconic ramune. So I don't know if that means it's small or large, because I see that there's a strawberry original and then maybe a lemon one, and then the iconic has one. So maybe this is the iconic, I'm guessing. We have macaroni and cheese. I have this one, the Hormel macaroni and cheese. Okay. Two more to open. We have a turmeric shot. Yay. I already have that one. And then this one, I wonder what this is going to be. Okay. This is the popsicles. So this is gonna be for making the popsicles. So I have all of them now. So I can make the popsicles, I can remake my tiramisu, and then I have the other mold. But so this has little things that you can put for the popsicles, and so it's gonna be fun. So I have all of those now. I'm gonna put that aside. That is all I have for you today. So I think my most exciting one is actually the cake. This is my favorite because unicorns are my favorite, and I just like how this is kind of like the biggest one out of all of them. So this is my favorite for today. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching my content. Thank you for clicking on my video. Please like my video. I want to get more viewers. I would like to get more subscribers. If you like my content, please subscribe. I'm looking to do more videos, more surprise openings of mystery boxes. So thank you so much for stopping by, and hope everybody has a good one. Thank you so much.